Alright guys, so you can see right here Memfi mining ends in 1 day time, and you understand the fact that upgrading to the Memfi Premium is very essential, okay, as it happens to be one of the criteria for the airdrop allocations. Why these are the criteria for the Memfi airdrop allocation? You can see you need to upgrade to the premium, so this simply means it's a must. Okay, so right in this video I'm gonna take you through the steps on how to get your Memfi Premium. Make sure you stay with me till the end of this video. Meanwhile guys, before I continue, if you are coming across my channel for the first time, kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that whenever I post an update like this, you will be notified. Don't forget, according to Memfi, they are actually gonna ban some accounts due to some illegal activities. Okay, so make sure whatsoever you are doing right here, you make sure you keep your account secured, keep your account safe, avoid cheating. Very important. Okay, so like I said, I'm gonna take you through the steps on how to get the Memfi Premium just for free. Okay, so to do that, like I said, you need 500 stars to actually upgrade to the Memfi Premium. So to get your stars, so let's start from there. To get your stars, so to get your stars, all you need to do is to come over to your Keeper right here. So from here you can see here they have wallet, history, and the browser right here. So what you need to do here is to go over to the browser tab right here, then you click on browser. So this is it. You can see they have lots of things right here. So you scroll down to where you see Fragment. Okay, so this is one of the places where you can buy Telegram stars at cheaper rates. Okay, so you go ahead and click on Fragment, and this is it. This is their website, and this is it. So you can see these are their services right here. You can get a username, number, stars, premium, and even ads. So right here we are here for the stars, so you go ahead and click on star right here, and these are their prices. You can see here 50 stars you need 0.1 ton to get 50 stars, and to get the 500 stars, this is it, you need 1.6 worth of ton in order to get 500 stars right here. So to do that, what you need to do is to come over to where they say choose recipients. Okay, so you enter, let's say for example I want to buy these stars to stars, so I'll just search for, so I just copied my Telegram username, so I will just paste it. So that is my username, and I click here. Okay, and that is it, Legistar, that is my Telegram name. All right, so the next thing you need to do is to go ahead and input either the amount. So just in case the quantity of stars you need is not listed right here, so you can actually enter the amount. Let's say for example you want to buy 1000 stars. Okay, that is it. So here you are buying 500 stars, and this is the 500 stars right here. So you go ahead and tick that. Don't forget, you must have this figure which you are seeing right here on your Keeper. So make sure you have at least 1.7 ton on your Keeper right there. And the next thing you need to do is to go ahead and click on buy 500 Telegram stars. All right, so to do this, this is what you will see. Okay, so I'll click on buy for Legistar, and you will be navigated to your Keeper. So right here I don't have up to that amount on my Keeper, so this is why you are seeing insufficient funds. Okay, so if you actually have up to that amount, you'll be navigated to your Keeper, where you will need to slide. All you need to do is to slide to the left, and your payment will be done successfully. Okay, so once you are done with that, just in less than 1 minute, your stars will be sent to the Telegram app. Okay, so you'll be notified right here on Telegram that you have been gifted 500 stars. So once you are done with that, the next thing you need to do is to come over to the airdrop menu right here, and since I have already done mine, that is why my own is ticked. So just in case you haven't done that yet, go ahead and click on upgrade to premium. Okay, and you are gonna see the instruction. Make sure you follow the instructions. Okay, follow the instruction and do this to the very last stage, and in less than 1 minute your premium will be upgraded, and you are going to be given additional 1k spin, which you will actually use to upgrade your coin balance right here. So that is the steps on how to upgrade to Memfi Premium. Okay, don't forget this ends in 1 day time, and you have less than 24 hours to do this. Okay, so that is the step guys. Thank you for watching this video. I know you are actually expected to see this free, where I'm actually gonna give at least 10 people free turn. Okay, I'm gonna be giving out 2 turns to only about 10 people. So to participate on that, all right, so to participate on this, all you need to do is to join my Telegram channel. I'm gonna leave the link right there in the description. So join. Once you join, make sure you drop your username, as I'm gonna be picking randomly. Okay, congratulations guys, and make sure you are doing this. Drop your username on my Telegram channel. I'm gonna credit you 2 turns. All right, so thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to encourage me, hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that whenever I post an update like this, you will be notified. Don't forget, join my Telegram channel for this turn giveaway, and see you in my next video.